Happy weekend, everyone. Today I want to share with you my favorite home and car fragrances. Just Ikoya. This one was given by Jackie. Thank you, Jackie. I think this one can last up to 3 months. It's guava and jasmine scent. She's really nice. Super love it. And this one I recently purchased sa town. I really love the scent. Para kang nasa mall. Namimiss ko ang mall ng Singapore. Charot. So this one is white husk and warm warm vanilla. Kaya pala bango. So kung ito 3 months, siguro to 1 year. Charot. And this one is my first purchase kasi sa Ikoya. Kasi ito online. So hindi ko pa siya na-try. Ito na-try ko sa store. Ito bigay ni Jackie. So ito yung first ko na na Ikoya product kasi one of my friends at work told me to try. So I want to share to you guys para ma-try nyo din. Ito yung, so basically, sasaksak mo siya sa outlet. Tapos nandito yung, naubos na siya, diba? Sayang daw kasi sa kuryente, kaya, yun. Though free naman ang kuryente namin dito sa bahay. So I got this in sandalwood. My favorite, sandalwood and amber fragrance. So ganito, may isa siyang type na sinasaksak. Tapos magaganon siya. I think this one lasted for parang 2 months din. Yun. So may candle, may diffuser na ganito, tapos may electric na ganito na diffuser. Tapos ito naman yung sa car. Super happy habang nagda-drive. Super bango. So I got yung isa nasa car na. Bala ko kasi 2 sides. Kaso si Satnam sabi niya, isa na lang. Which is also nice kasi naman, super bango na. Kaya na ng isa actually. So ganyan siya. Diba? Ang ganda ng itsura. Napaka-aesthetic din. Parang may isang free na pala to. Isang pod. These are the pods. Fragrance pods that you need to buy separately. Tapos you need to buy the car diffuser separately. I'm so happy with this kasi I've tried a lot of brand ng diffuser at hindi ako naging happy sa kanila. Ito lang talaga. Ang Ikoya ang winner. So ganyan siya. Diba? May free ka na lotus flower scent. So ganito yung itsura ng pod. Tapos ito, pupul mo daw. Yan siya. So ito na yung i-clip mo sa aircon ng car mo. Diba? Aircon, wind, something. So to put this pod, you open this and then like ganito, ipupul mo lang to. Diyan mo nalalagay yung pod, diba? Magnetic na siya. Baka minimalist aesthetic. I love Ikoya. Happy weekends!
This is not a sponsored post. I just really love